Hey everyone, what if you could turn your scratch into an egg shooting adventure? Welcome back to Kodex Academy. Today, we are going to create an awesome egg shooting game in Scratch. Aim, shoot, smash those eggs, and beat your high score. Are you ready to lock, aim, and crack it? So let's jump into Scratch and start coding. So this is our Scratch screen. Here, what I want first I'm going to ready my screen and then we'll start coding. I just going to delete this sprite. I don't want this cat one, and here I'm going to search for my sprite. I will type egg over here. This is my egg. Okay, let me see how many costume it has. Oh, it has so many costumes, but I don't want these many. I want these two, first egg A and egg B. So rest of that I will delete it because I don't want all these costumes. Okay, done. Next, again back to the coding, and here I need to create one more sprite, that is the gun target. For that I need to paint it, and here what I need for that, here I will draw a circle, but I don't want to fill with any color, so I'll just cancel the fill color, and here I need little bit broader outline. So I'll make it this much is enough. I don't want the black color. I'll choose any other color. I'll choose blue. Yeah, it's look good. And now the next I want the line. I'll draw the line over here. Okay, yes. And the next one from the top. Yes. Isn't it look nice? Yes. So I'll just select all these three and I'll going to group it. And then if I want to make it size small, we can do it. Okay, now it's fine. Go back to coding, and here I want to choose first my backdrop. I want the wall one. I'll type wall. Okay, I'll select this one. Yeah, my wall is here. Now I'm going to make two backdrop. The first one you did it, and the second one I'm going to make game over. For that, again go to choose my backdrop, and here I will choose light. Okay, in this light I need to do some customization, so I will going to select my stage, go to backdrop, and here I want to type you did it. Yes, select it. I want the font, it's curly, size little bigger. Yes, it looks more interesting. We can paste or sprite over here, right? So I'll take my sprites as well. I'll just click on the egg, copy it back to my stage. I will paste it. Make it bigger if you want. Okay, I am going to take this sprite and here I will paste it. Yes, see, you can do this kind of design as well, right? Okay, I'll just change this color so it's look more interesting. Oh, I'll make it red. Yeah, it's look beautiful. Yes. So my one more backdrop is ready. I don't want this blank one, so I will delete it. Now the third one I'm going to choose. Here I want the blue sky. Okay. And here I will type game over. And now make it little bigger. Okay, done. You can see my all three backdrops are ready and my sprites are also ready. Go back to code. Before we are going to start the coding, I need to create my variable. As you see in the demo, here we have three variables. One is score, second one speed, and the third one is missed shots. Go to my variable, and here I am going to make variable one by one. First I am going to create score. Okay. Now the second one again same, make a variable, and then I'm going to make speed, and now the third one is missed shots. Okay, you can see all three variables are here. My variables are here, my screen is ready, and my sprites are also ready. Now we'll begin the coding part. First I'm going to choose my egg sprite, and here what I want, when the green flag click, first of all I'm going to set my background, which background I want first. For that I'm going to look block, and here I am going to select my switch backdrop, and that is I want the wall. Okay, let's see. My wall is here. Then afterwards I want to set my variable. Here I'm going to my variable and set my all three variables. So I'll take this block 3 times and I am going to set all my variable. Score, speed and missed shot. Score I want 0, speed I want 5 and missed shot also 0. Now again I'm going to click the green flag and you will see the values 0, 5, 0. It's done. We are doing great, right? Now I'm going to continue. Now we are going to set the movement of this egg, but before that we need to set one broadcast message, because when it missed any shot it should be broadcast one message and that would be applicable for all the sprite. For that I'm going to event block and here I will choose the broadcast message and I will type move to initial position. Okay, so this is my common broadcast which is applicable for all the sprite. One more thing I want, whenever I'm going to just click on the green flag, the egg should be visible. For that I'm going to look block and here I will put show. Okay, this part is done. As I set my broadcast, what I need to do? Here I'm going to receive my broadcast and I will set the movement of my egg. For that I'm going to select when I receive the broadcast message, that is move to the initial position. My position, it should become back to its original position. And how it will going to move? It should be move random position from this x position to the and its speed is also get changed according to the speed variable. I'm going to the motion block and here I will choose go to random position and go to x and y position. Here the x value should be minus 240 and the y value it can choose randomly from the operator block, pick random, that would be from 0 to 170. Okay, and the next thing I want, the set rotation style, it should be left to right. It should be moved from here to here, and also its point in direction should be 90. You can see the result. It's come back to its initial position. Click the green flag, it received the message, move to initial position, and that is its initial position. From this y position to this y position, it can choose any position. You can see again it can choose any random position. And now we're going to set the movement of egg from here to here. For that again I'm going to the event block and here I will choose when the green flag click. Movement of egg should be moved for the forever. For that I'm going to the control block, choose forever, and the condition is if. What condition I want? I want when it's going to reach till here, again it should come back here and it should move again, and the missed shot should be increased by 1 because we missed one shot. For that I'm going to the operator block and here I will choose the greater sign. What condition I want? If the x-axis is greater than 240, it should be moved back again. For that I'm going to take x position, and that x position from the motion block I will take, and here the value I will type 240. Okay, now I'll place this thing here. What should happen? It should be broadcast, move to the initial position because this block should be run afterwards. For that again I'm going to the event block and take the broadcast message and I will choose my message move to initial position. And also one more thing, it should be changed, that is missed shot value. For that I'm going to variable block and change my missed shot by 1. And now I'm going to set its movement. For that I'm going to the motion block and here I will use move 10 step. But I don't want it should move 10 step. I want it should move according to the speed. For that I'm going to the variable and choose the speed. Now you'll see the effect. Oh, it's moving. Oh, it's again come back from this position. You can see? Oh, wow. It's moving very nice. And you can see as it's crossing this line, the missed shot is also increasing, right? We are doing great. Now, what do we want? We want if the missed shot value reach to 3, the game should be over. For that, again, I'm going to use the if condition I'm going to control block and use the if condition, the same condition I want, the operator block, and here I will use my variable missed shot. How many shots I want? I want 3. If the 3 shots are missed, what should happen? That game should be over. Which backdrop should become over here? That is game over one, which we have already created. I'll go to the look block and switch the backdrop to blue sky. And then everything should be stopped. For that I'm going to control block and here I will choose stop all. Okay, let's see the effect. Oh, I missed 1. I missed 2. I missed 3. Oh, game over. We are doing great. You can see when the 3 shots are missed, automatically the backdrop is changed and everything is stopped. Done. I also want my score, if it is reached by 5, that another backdrop which we have made, you did it, that should be come. For that we need the same coding. I'm going to duplicate this and I will put it over here. And here instead of missed shot, I want my variable that is score, and if it's reached to 5. You can increase the score value as per your wish to make this game more interesting. And I'm going to switch my backdrop to light. Okay, and everything should be stopped. And also I want this egg should be hide. For this I'm going to the look block and hide my sprite. Okay, we can't see this thing on the game because we have not set the coding for the shooting effect, and the shooting effect is work on the basis of the click on sprite. For that I'm going to the event block and here I will choose when this sprite is click. And when this sprite click, what should happen? You can see there are 2 costumes of this sprite. One is the complete egg and another one is the hatched one. The 2 sprite, it shows the different effect. First, when the game is start, I want its look should be the complete egg. For that I'm going to the look block and here I will choose switch the costume and I will put here. I want the A1 for this. And now you can see the effect. Right? My complete egg is here. Now the next thing I want, when this sprite is click, I want to change its costume. I want the hashtag. For that again I'm going to use switch costume and I will choose the B1. Like you can see, it's hatched. Right. Now the next one. Again I'm going to click the flag and you can see costume is changed. I want when I click on the sprite, the score should be increased by 1 and also the speed is increased by 0.2. For that I'm going to the variable block and here I will choose change variable, and both variable I'm going to change. One is score and another one is speed. The score should be changed by 1 and speed should be changed by 0.2. Okay, so this thing is done. Now you can see the effect. Oh, code is changed by 1 and speed is changed by 0.2. It's working nice. Now I want when I just click on the egg, it should be drop down. For that I need the motion block and here I will select its rotation style all around. I will not select left to right, I will select all around, and afterwards I want its pointing direction should be 180. It should be drop down. Okay, you can see it should be fall down like a pin drop and it should be glide for 1 second. Here I will mention the X position and the Y value, it should be minus 170 and you can see the effect. Oh, it's working nice, right? It's dropped down directly to the ground. And once this thing happen, only one score I want? No, I need to play this game again. For that, the same movement should be repeat. Then what should we want? We should be broadcast the same movement message we have used in initial stage. So I'll go to the event block and here again I'm going to choose my broadcast message and you will see the effect. Oh, I'm going to click on this. Oh, and again it's come back. But you can see the hashtag is come, right? I don't want this hashtag should come from this side. I want complete egg should be come. For that, again, I'm going to take the event block when the green flag click, and here I will use the forever condition. I'm going to switch its costume, and that should be egg A. And here I will mention some weight. For that, I'm going to the control block, and here I will mention 0.5, and you will see the result. Oh, I missed it. I missed 2 shots. Oh, you can see. Oh, again, my complete egg is here, right? But I missed the 3 shots. That's why game over. We are doing great. Okay, we're going to continue with the coding. I want some music should be play. So I'll go to the event block, and here I will choose when the green flag click, and control block, forever loop. I want some video game song. I'll go to the sound. I don't want this pop one. I will type the video game. Okay, here it's my video game sound. Do you want to play it? But it's too loud. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, go back to code, and here I will choose the sound and play until done. Okay, let's see the effect. Yes. Now one more sound I want. When I just click on this egg, it should be make some good sound. For that, I'm going back to the sound. Choose, let's try this wobble sound, and here, oh, it looks like a drop sound, right? Okay, go back to code. Choose play the sound wobble. Here, let's see the effect. Very good. The coding for our egg is done. What about this? It's very simple. What we need to do, only it should be moved according to our cursor. That's it. Another sprite, that name I will going to change. Gun. Now we are going to do the coding for our gun. First thing I want, when I am going to click on the green flag, first of all it show, and then afterwards it should go to the back layer. Choose back. I want the forever loop. I want the if condition. If the mouse down, what should happen? It should make some sound. So it will look like we click on something. I'm going to use the sensing block. We'll use mouse down, and I'll choose some good sound. Going to the sound block, I will choose not pop. I will type crunch. Okay, let's see how it sounds. Look like a gun shooting sound, right? We'll use this sound. Here I will choose play sound crunch until done. I want it should be moved with the mouse pointer. For that, I'm going to the motion block and choose go to mouse pointer. That's it. Want to see? Yes, it's moving very nice. And you can see when I click over here, it's making sound, right? Amazing. Now one more thing I want. When I won the game, I want this sprite should be hide. For that, I'm going to the event block. When the backdrop, it's not wall. When it is light, then it should be hide. Okay. So our game is ready. Do you want to play this? Let's see on the big screen. Click on the green flag. Oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed 1. Oh, 4. Good. You're doing good job. Oh, game over, and everything is paused. But you can see everything is done very well. The speed is increasing continuously and score is also increasing. Do you want to try it again? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You did it very well, right? Do you like this game? Try this and tell me if it's worked for you. I'm waiting for your comment. And if you want this project and all other project without starting from zero, you can go to TPT, where you will find out all our Scratch project with SB3 file, worksheets and assignments. So check out our Kodex Academy bundles on TPT. The link in the description. We are also providing online classes on Scratch and robotics. You can visit our website and contact us. With this note, we conclude the session. We'll see you in next session. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.